Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we're gonna continue working on part 16 of this house build. Let's get started. So in the last video, we were able to do more extrusion and more design. We created the site, so the street, the sidewalks. Now we're gonna continue working on this. So now what I'm gonna do is I'm going to extend actually this one. So go to ground, edit, and then here we're gonna move this one all the way until right here, and then click finish, go to 3D. Also, I'm going to add this one right here. So I'm gonna edit and go to ground because I want to add something right here on this side as well. Trim and extend. And then I'm gonna offset this one to 50. So I'm gonna do this and then offset to 50. And then trim and extend, TR. And then click finish. And then of course, we can do this one as well. Click on the inner wall and then go to 3D to see that this one is added as well. So go click finish, and then there we go. We have that one there. So we could add in a small tree right here and then some bushes right here as well. Let's go to south elevation. It's because I want to remove some of this one right here. I just don't want, I just don't like the look. So I'm just gonna make it simple. I'm gonna keep that. Actually, I'm just gonna delete all of this and then go back to architecture and click on curtain grid, one segment. I think this is good enough. And then go to mullion, all grid, and then add those grids right there. And then go to 3D. I want to give more profile right here. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna create a model in place, generic model, click OK. I'm gonna do a sweep, pick path, click here, here, and then here. Look for the intersection like this, where we're going to create our profile. And then here, what I'm gonna do is rectangle. I'm going to create a rectangle right there. I'm gonna give you the information later on. Give me a second. Here, it's 5, and then this one is Let's make it 50. Make this one 5 as well. And then this is 5 as well, which is good. Trim and extend. Trim and extend. Delete the ones that are extra there. Trim and extend right here. And then fillet arc here. And then fillet arc right here. Here it's make it 80, and then this radius is make it 10, and then this radius is make it 5. And then I'm gonna copy this, so copy clipboard, so that we could do that on the other sides. We don't need to create the profile anymore. And then here, change the material to one of the concretes again. You need to choose the ones that we haven't used yet. 4550 concrete. And then now we're gonna do the same thing. Sweep, pick path, select here, here, and then here. Click finish. Edit profile, go right here, click on paste, and then you can put it on the side first, select everything, and then move it MV to that corner right there. Click on tab until you have that selected, click finish, and then finish. This one, 4550 concrete. Sorry, 4555. Let's double check. 4555 concrete. Okay. And let's just do it on the other side. Concrete, create, pick path, select it here, click finish, edit profile, paste it. We can mirror it and then delete this and then grab it from the insertion point right there and then put it here on the insertion point as well. Click finish, change this 4555. And then click finish and then finish. So we have all those details added. I also want to add another floor on this side. Don't attach. Go to 3D. Everything is looking good. And next we're gonna add in some lights. So here, I want you to go to part 1 description, or this description. It will be on the second link, all extra families. And then we're going to add in a face-based light. I just want to have the square. I believe this is the square. Download it. I'm gonna go to downloads or click here, square base, so that's perfect. And then here you just need to drag and drop. So spotlight, drag and drop to the location that you want to add. I'm gonna add it also right here, and then of course onto this here as well. And then let's go around. You want to add it onto this and the bottom here and the bottom here. Press escape and then go to the ceiling view, ceiling plan. So here, go to first one first. So we have all of this. I want it to be aligned, so I'm gonna AL, align it right here. I'm gonna copy this, CO, every 1000, CO again. Make sure multiple is checked so that you just need to type in 1000, or just like me, you can just wing it. And then you could go to level 2, level 1. Let's add this one first. Copy 1000. Put this one right here. Copy 1000 and then 1000. Let's move this one in the center, and then this one as well in the center. So clean it up. Then go to level 2. Let's do it here first. Copy 1000, and then here center it as well. 1000 and then another 1000. And then here we need to add 1000, 1000, but we need to nudge this one to the location properly. I want this one, so this one is not showing up. That's because it's probably on level 3. I'm going to range base second, and then there we go. So somewhere here I couldn't add it, but what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna add it first here. I'm not gonna add something here except for this part. I'm just gonna align it. AL. Copy 1000. Okay, and then here level 3, so you can see It's not something that you can unless you click here. So select underlay elements. You have to do that. Review this one. This one is, we just need to add it there. So copy 1000. I think 2 of them is good enough. Okay. Go back to 3D, and then here, as you can see, we need to change this one, this part right here. So we need 4050. Close it, click on paint, concrete 4050, and then just click this one, this part right here. So everything is nicely accounted for. So we have lights there, and then I want to make this one nicer. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna void sweep here. So pick path, and then here edit profile, and I'm just going to add it here. There we go. I'm just going to edit that again because I want to create a copy so that we don't need to keep on doing that. Click on finish and then finish. You can click on cut geometry, so that's good. I want to finish here again because I want to extend this one. I want to extend. There you go. Now we could extend this part right here. I think that's good enough there. And then let's do the void sweep again. Pick that, click that, paste to clipboard, unfortunately I couldn't find it, so I'm just going to click that, edit, paste, there we go, move it, click finish, and then finish, and then lastly one more, void sweep, pick path, select this path, click finish, edit profile, move this one, click finish, finish, and then cut geometry. And then lastly what we're gonna do is we're gonna click on paint, type in luminaires. So this one, luminance actually. And then what you need to do is you need to click at the back there so that it will light up, because we're going to add a material that is neon that will light up in Twinmotion. Okay, so click on finish, and we have something right here. So let's stop here for now and continue on the next video. Thank you for watching, and I hope you liked the video. Please hit like and subscribe. Feel free to comment down below.